In this video, I'm going to show you how to get admin commands in Steal A Brainrot in Roblox. So the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to open up the Steal A Brainrot game, and then once you are in here, you want to go ahead, click on the shop icon at the left hand of your screen, and then in here it says Game Passes is the second button up here. Click on Game Passes, and then over here at the very top it says AP, as you can see, and this is the admin panel via which you can get the admin commands, and then you have to basically just type CMDs in chat for a list of commands. Now after you do this, of course, you'll be able to get this admin command, so you're gonna have to purchase it, unfortunately, but that's the only way you can do it. Over here it's going to tell you how much this is gonna cost. So as you can see, around 120 euros for me, because I have euros as a currency. I don't know how much that is in dollars. So yeah, as you can see over here, this is what you're gonna have to do. You're gonna have to basically get them with these Robux inside the Game Passes menu. You can get these admin commands, and then you can go ahead and use them to actually of course, play Steal A Brainrot. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.